LIKE717 Universal Flange Plugging Belt, a solution for reducing damage caused by pressure pipes. Inspire LIKE SDN.BHD is a company committed to reducing the damage caused by pressure pipes to human beings. They have developed the LIKE717 Universal Flange Plugging Belt, a solution that addresses the issue of leaking sealing gaskets in flanges, which can lead to production and operational failures. Traditional solutions require stopping production and replacing the gasket, resulting in significant losses of manpower and material resources. The LIKE717 Universal Flange Plugging Belt offers a more efficient and effective alternative. LIKE717 Universal Flange Plugging Belt Plugging Steps. Secure the two flanges by clamping them with LIKE717 flange pliers and locking them tightly. Attach the LIKE717 flange mouth to the link bolt. Screw the LIKE717 glue pulling head onto the bolt. Fill the glue pulling machine head with plugging glue that is suitable for the medium and temperature. Activate the power source of the pressure pulling glue machine, allowing the plugging glue to be pressed into the gap in the flange plugging belt. Continue pressing the plugging glue until there are no leaks. Advantages of the LIKE717 Universal Flange Plugging Belt. Simple and convenient operation. No need to measure the diameter of the flange in advance. Compatible with various flange specifications, regardless of the diameter. Spark-free construction process. With the LIKE717 Universal Flange Plugging Belt, companies can now minimize the damage caused by pressure pipes, ensuring a safer and more efficient work environment. Inspire like1@gmail.com. A company that strives to reduce the damage caused by pressure pipes to human beings. Inspire LIKE SDN.BHD. No matter what kind of flange, there will be accidents that the sealing gasket in the middle of the flange leaks, which leads to the failure of normal production and operation. The solution is to replace it after stopping production, which will cause a great loss of manpower and material resources. The selection of LIKE717 Universal Flange Plugging Belt can effectively and quickly solve this problem. LIKE717 Universal Flange Plugging Belt Plugging Steps. 1. Clamp the two flanges with LIKE717 flange pliers and lock them tightly. 2. Screw the LIKE717 flange mouth to the link bolt. 3. Screw the LIKE717 glue pulling head onto the bolt. 4. Fill the plugging glue that meets the medium and temperature into the glue pulling machine head. 5. Start the power source of the pressure pulling glue machine, let the plugging glue be pressed into the gap in the flange plugging belt. 6. Repeatedly press in the plugging glue until it does not leak. The operation of this product is simple and convenient. No need to measure the diameter of the flange in advance. No matter how large the diameter of the flange is, it can quickly wrap the flanges of various specifications for 1 week. No sparks will be generated during the construction of plugging. The world today has entered the age of industrial technology. The development of industry is inseparable from the storage of pipes and containers made of metal, non-ferrous metals, plastics, PVC, PE, PR, composite pipes, glass fiber reinforced plastics and other materials. Storage tanks, corrosion, and perforation leakage of these equipment during operation are frequent events, and the leakage includes all media such as gas, liquid, powder, foam, etc., such as diesel oil, gasoline, heavy oil, light oil, aviation oil, benzene, toluene, xylene, natural gas, liquefied petroleum gas, biogas, coal gas, high-temperature steam and other medium substances. During the leakage process, the medium container in the pipeline splashes out because the valve is damaged and cannot be closed, because the medium contains flammable explosive, poisonous, and harmful types include high temperature and low temperature, which are difficult to avoid and cause great safety hazards. Pipe leaks clogged under pressure during splash spill. Pipe leaks clog product under pressure during a splash spill. Pipe flange valve storage tank leaks clogging product under pressure during splash spill. Inspire LIKE SDN.BHD. URL inspirelike.my. WhatsApp +6011350222688.